What's going on? Corey Neese here. Today's video going over ideas, marketing ideas that you can use to sell Power Lead System more effectively. So this is for my team, anyone in Power Lead System that wants to make sales, bring in customers, build that big monthly residual income and create the upgrade sales and create a success here as your go-to product, as maybe your primary business. So these are going to be some ideas that you can use. I'm not saying I do all of these. I'm throwing out ideas that if you're struggling, pick some of these and stick with it for 30 days and see what happens. The first one, you got the classic network marketing. So these are market ideas. So Power Lead System is a lead generation product. It's a website creation product. I would recommend the target network marketing companies. Number two, affiliate marketing. And these are in no particular order. Affiliate marketing. I would also recommend to target similar companies to Power Lead System. Your best market are people that have bought products similar to the ones that you're selling. Let me say that again. Your best market are people that have bought products to the ones your best market are the people that have bought products that are similar to the ones you're selling. There, I got it out. So affiliate marketing, network marketing, target those specific companies online with your social media. Teaching, teach people how to use the product, right? I'm teaching you right now. I'm giving you ideas, add extra value in the marketplace. Solo ads. These are email ads of marketers in the make money online space normally that send out an email to their list and they pitch your link to their list. Hot markets. Look for markets that are just hot, rabid markets that you can get in front of and siphon that traffic to PLS and bridge it somehow, as PLS is the solution to your market's problem. So I don't know, maybe it's a fitness niche, maybe it's bodybuilding, maybe it's the makeup, maybe it's I don't know, cosmetic. It could be anything. It could be any niche that's popular. It could be CBD oil. It could be whatever. It could be local small businesses. Connect PLS as a solution to your market's problems. Sell the product by making how-to and screen share tutorial videos like the one you're watching. Sell the product. I really recommend you understand the Power Lead System product, the product tier, which is the website tool creation system. It's a tool suite. It's a marketing lead generation system. It's got training. It's got tools. It's got website builder. It's got a power blog. It's got video postcards. It's got a sales funnel duplicator. That's the product. All right. I focus on selling the product for higher retention. A lot of people come in as a business opportunity to make money with it. And that's great. That's great. You want to. But also sell the product as the product, right? Become a product of the product. Make how-to and screen share videos. And last, seriously, this is most important. Just don't ever give up. Don't ever give up. Be here a year from now. Don't quit. I can guarantee you, if you're not involved and you want to make money, you're not going to make money. The most surefire way to fail is to quit. Just don't ever give up. Keep making content. Post on all the free social media networks. Buy paid ads. Run Facebook ads. Do solo ads. Do YouTube paid ads. Make tutorial videos. Find a certain market. Maybe you know all about basketball, NBA, makeup, hair, or whatever, right? Fitness, training, anything. Local small businesses, carpet cleaning, window cleaning, services, mechanical. Find a particular niche. Gear it around that. Make your content around that and then provide PLS as a solution. Every business needs some kind of a website. Every network marketer needs a lead generation tool. All right? Target those people that are already more invested in learning about what you have. They're more likely to already buy what you're talking about. All right? And you can tap into general, broad, big markets that have nothing to do with PLS. You can find a way creatively, skillfully, and persistently to bridge where they're at and to bridge them to where your product is, to make your product the bridge, right? And the solution to bring them in a unique, creative way, right? It's just, you got to be persistent. You got to stick with it. You got to be creative. You just go out there and you just keep taking action. You just keep figuring out by default. I'm right there with you, right? I'm right there with you in the trenches. I want to be the #1 income earner. So I'm going to be creating videos, teaching, training, consistently, promoting, recruiting all the time. Do it every single day. You just keep sticking with it until you become successful. Tell me, what is the best tip you learned from this video in the comment below. Comment below, what's the best tip that you're going to take action on right away to start getting better results in your Power Lead System marketing business.